ATM मशिनात चोरी जावपाचे प्रकरण वाडत आशिल्ल्यान बुधवारा वास्को पुलिसांनी वेगवेगळ्या बँकेच्या अधिकाऱ्यां बसका घेतली। बँकेच्या भितर आनी भायर CCTV लावपा विशीं तांकां सुचोवणी दिली। सायबर गुन्यांव संबंधीत गुन्यांव आडोवपा खातीर वेगवेगळ्या विशयांचेर उलोवप केलें। तशेंच खास करून रातच्या वेळार ATM लागसार भितर आनी भायर सुरक्षा रक्षक सक्तीन दवरपाची विनंती लेगीत पुलीस निरीक्षक कपिल नाईक हाणें केली।
Related to banks have increased, and per day we are receiving at least 10 to 15 number of complaints at our police station. So now how to prevent this? So there is a job of police also, 50% job of police also, and there is 50% job of you people. But when every time what happens when any crime commits, means any crime takes place, is regarding the ATM theft, the society is blaming for the police. So they are saying that patrolling is not proper, police are not deploying the points at the ATM, police are not visiting the banks. So all blames are coming on the police. But for police, it is not possible to deploy one policeman at one ATM. It is impossible. So if we work together, it will be easy for us to prevent this type of crime. And also the cyber crimes are taking place.